Hey guys, one of the folks asked me why Apple keeps on saying that OS 10 is the most advanced desktop operating system. And every time they introduce a new feature, they do mention it one way or the other. Well, today we are going to show one of the features of Mac OS 10 which is rather unused by most of the people. So, one of the features of Mac OS 10 is that it can allow you to assign a keyboard shortcut to any command within the menu of an application that is already installed on the system. And I first saw this on KDE in Linux, but it was kind of messy. And I guess that's where Apple always strikes the right way by keeping things simple. Anyways, I will use Finder application for this demo. And as you can see, there are two folders on my desktop, pics folder and stuff folder. So let's open them. Now, the contents of the folder is not that important. The trick of assigning the shortcut to any application on the menu, well, that is. So let me first open the keyboard viewer so that you can see the keys being pressed on screen. There it is. Well, the command that I'm going to use for this demo is the merge all windows command in the window menu of Finder application. Alright, so let's see what happens when we press merge all windows. So this, as you can see, the window of the pics folder went inside the window of the stuff folder as another tab. Well, let's close this and reopen. Well, now we have to assign a keyboard shortcut to merge all windows. You can see that there is no keyboard shortcut assigned. If it were, it would be listed right besides the command, which is merge all windows. Just like here, you can see minimize has got a command M and cycle through windows has got a command plus backtick. So for assigning the keyboard shortcut to merge all windows, we need to open the system preferences, go to keyboard, click on the shortcuts tab. On the left hand side you got the types of shortcuts. So there's this app shortcuts at the bottom of the list. Click on that and you can see there is a show help menu activated for all applications on the system, and the shortcut is shift plus command plus slash. So let's press that. You can see on the keyboard viewer as I'm pressing the keys, command shift slash, and you can see the help menu over here opened up. Anyways, we need to assign a keyboard shortcut to Finder. So let's press the plus button here. Now it's listing all applications. We have to choose Finder from the list. Here it is, Finder, select. Now menu title. The menu title that we have to write is merge all windows. Remember that we have to write the command name or the menu title as it is asking for as it is, and so we have to use merge all windows with M, A and W capital. Merge all windows, and I'm going to use command plus dot for the keyboard shortcut and press add. Well, there it is. So let's see if it worked. Go back to the menu and see you have got command plus dot assigned to merge all windows command, which was previously not there. So let's press the keyboard shortcut and see if it works. So stuff and pics, and I'm going to press command. You can see that being pressed here in the keyboard viewer, command plus dot, and as you can see the stuff folder went inside the window of the stuff folder went inside the window of pics folder as a new tab. So that's pretty neat. and I do use it all the time when I get lost with a lot of Finder windows open and I don't know what window was open when and where and what is showing. Anyway, the beauty of this command is that it doesn't only allow you to assign a command to, a shortcut to a command that doesn't have one. It also allows you to override a command, override a shortcut for a command in any application. So let's open up this text file in my favorite text editor, which is Text Wrangler. Here it is. Now, there is a command inside the text menu which says shift left and shift right. These have the shortcuts of command key plus the opening square brackets and command key plus the closing square brackets. So what I want to do is assign control plus opening square bracket and control plus closing square brackets for shift left and shift right. What these commands do, actually, let me resize the window and open up the keyboard viewer again. Yeah, here it is. So what these commands do is you select a few lines and press the shortcuts and it will indent those lines for you. That's how it works. So now we have to reassign these shortcuts of command plus opening square bracket and command plus closing square bracket to control plus opening square bracket and control plus closing square bracket. Again, let's launch system preferences. Go to keyboard, shortcuts and app shortcuts. Click the add button. For applications, select Text Wrangler. That's a long way. Here it is, Text Wrangler. Now the menu title, so I will assign shift right and keyword shortcut has to be control plus closing square brackets, add and add again. Text Wrangler is already selected. Menu title should be shift left and keyboard shortcut has to be control opening square brackets, add. Let's see if it worked. Text. As you can see, the shortcuts for shift left and shift right command in Text Wrangler have been overwritten by what we just assigned inside the system preferences. Let's just see if it is working. Let's try it out, and I'm going to press control plus, yeah, as you can see the shortcuts are working. Now if you remove one of them, let's say we remove shift left, and it will get the old or the default keyboard shortcut automatically. You see, here it got it. Now I'm going to shift right as well, and the shortcuts have been restored to whatever was assigned by the application itself. Yeah, so that's how it works. You can use this to your benefit by mapping whatever shortcuts you want in any application that you use. Sometimes it can help you assign a well-known or a shortcut that you are used to on an application that runs on both Mac and Windows. So you can assign control plus whatever you want instead of command, because that's where your fingers are habituated to it. Anyways, I hope that this is going to be fun and useful for you. Thank you.